and welcome back to Shine with Shalaka. Today we are going to make one of our favorite dessert, which is walnut chocolate brownie.
Take 1 bar of dark chocolate and chop it roughly into chunks. Set it aside. To that, add 100 grams of unsalted butter. Microwave it for 40 seconds. Now mix well until the chocolate melts, and be patient because the chocolate takes a little while to melt. Now take a strainer, add 1 big cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, another 1 small cup of super fine granulated sugar or powdered sugar. To that, add 1 big spoon of cocoa powder. Give it a nice mix. And strain it into a container. Now take a baking tray. I've taken aluminium baking tray, which is use and throw. Grease it well, make sure it reaches all the corner of the tray and also on the sides. Now pour 1 small cup of milk into the chocolate mixture. Mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. Next up, roast some walnuts. Now cut them into small pieces. Add the chocolate mixture into the flour mixture and give it a nice mix. To this, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix it again. Add some walnuts. Reserve some for later. To this, add 1 small half a tablespoon of baking powder. Transfer this to the baking tray. Make sure it sets properly into the baking tray and level it up equally. Top it with some walnuts. Now make sure you preheat the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit and bake it for another 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's done, test it with the help of toothpick and make sure it comes out clean. If not, you can keep it for some more time. Now that it's done, I'm going to remove it and cut it into squares. Make sure you do it very softly because we don't want to break it. Now top it up with liquid sauce. And it's ready. Looks delicious, isn't it?